First, select your drawing and bring it into the template file using Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V. Select all the objects of the same type and put it on the appropriate layer. If you have been drawing the original file in the layers already, just try to lock all the other layers and then you can easily select all the furniture in one go. When all the objects are selected, just choose the appropriate layer in the Layer Selection tab. You can also use the Match Drop tool and choose the line weight from the template and match it to the appropriate objects. Repeat the same process with all elements of your design. You can further correct your drawings or add new geometry by clicking on the appropriate layer and drawing in that layer using Polyline tool or copying and pasting the objects. Use the Match Prop command to match all the objects to appropriate layers. Sometimes you will have to draw over the existing geometry to get the layers right and the shapes. Click and drag on any point of polyline to change the shape of it. You can also click and drag onto the same point to reduce the number of points on polyline. Once you have finished adjusting the walls, you can move on to furniture and bring new furniture pieces from the furniture file. Once you've completed the drawings, choose the dimension layer and start locating the dimensions on your drawings. If you have the template file, choose the AB dim style in your dimension styles to get a similar look to the one shown in the video. You can mark your dimensions by either holding over the line and dragging over, or by clicking on 2 points at the end of the line and again dragging over. Once you have completed all the drawings and put the dimensions on them, you can move on to the layouts and start arranging your drawings. You can find the Scale Up tool in the right bottom corner and you can just choose the appropriate scale of the drawing. In the template, you already have 2 preset layouts for A2 and A1, so you can just click onto the layout and bring your drawing to the right scale. You can duplicate your layout to copy the same line weights and the setup of the file. You can do that by right-clicking onto the existing layout and choosing Duplicate option. Again, on the template, you will have the title sheet all set up, so all you have to do is just enter the project name, address, project, date, scale, and the number of the sheet. When you're happy with all your layouts, you can go onto File and click Batch Publish. By clicking on Add Current Drawing, you can see all the different sheets that are going to come out in your PDF, and you can manage them by clicking plus or minus signs. Choose PDF rather than the printer option, and then manage the location of the file and the type of PDF you would like it to be.